Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to enter a credit card refund in QuickBooks Online. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to access the expense section. So log in into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the expenses or banking section. This is where you can manage your expense transaction. The following step is to create a new expense transaction. So click on the option to create a new expense transaction, enter the necessary details for the refund transaction. The third step is to select the vendor and payment account. So choose the vendor associated with the refund from the drop down list. Ensure that the vendor's name is accurate and matches the refund source. Select the appropriate payment method such as your credit card account from which the refund is issued. The fourth step is to enter the refund amount and date. So enter the refund amount in the appropriate field. Ensure that it's the negative value to reflect a refund or credit. Specify the date of the refund transaction, which is typically the date on which the refund is issued. The last step is to save the refund transaction. So review the entered information to ensure accuracy. Double check the vendor's name, refund amount, payment account and transaction date. Make any necessary adjustments or corrections. Once you are satisfied with the refund transaction details, click on the save or save and close button to save the transaction. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.